Hi, I'm Courtney Crandon. I am a physical education teacher in USD 259, which is in Wichita, which is actually one of the largest school districts in Kansas. I work at a school. We have about 650 kids. So there is me and another PE teacher, and we co-teach, and we have double classes all day. We see kindergarten through fifth grade. I've been teaching, this is my third year, so I'm still pretty new. Some interesting things about me. I have two dogs. I have a corgi and a blue heeler, and no, I don't live on a farm. We just, for some reason, decided to get two crazy cattle dogs. I managed a pool for 5 years, got a lot of experience working with kids and managing kids and adults. I went to Washburn University where I actually was the mascot for 2 years. I think that's probably the most interesting thing about me. Some long-term goals I have would be right now I'm not sure that I really want to be a principal as much as I think athletic directing is kind of my long-term goal. Some short-term goals would be to get my master's. That's definitely the big one right now. And then in a couple of years, start a family. What I hope to learn, I definitely hope to learn a lot from this class. Again, I'm a PE teacher. We don't really have much of a curriculum. We have a few things that we have to teach, but we get to choose kind of how we teach them. So I am hoping to get a lot out of this class. Thanks.